X-rays, the invisible rays that reveal the unseen. X-rays are a form of high-energy electromagnetic radiation. They have the remarkable ability to penetrate the human body. X-ray machines generate these rays by accelerating electrons and colliding them with a metal target. The X-ray tube produces X-rays through these two processes. After passing through the body, the remaining X-rays strike a detector. X-ray imaging is a valuable tool for medical diagnostics. Dual-energy radiography uses two distinct X-ray energy beams. While X-rays carry some radiation risk, the benefits often outweigh the risks. Medical professionals follow strict guidelines to minimize radiation exposure. X-ray technology has revolutionized medical diagnostics and treatment planning. Advancements in X-ray imaging continue to improve patient care. The remarkable power of X-rays unveils the unseen.